Why would a therapist refuse to make a recommendation or testify in court? That's the question from the Modern Divorce Support Group. Mom writes in and says that her 9-year-old has told her therapist that she doesn't like going to her dad's, that her dad is mean to her, and the therapist won't even write it down. CPS has been called, and they closed the case and just said that the family should go to family therapy. Hello, Billy Tarasio, Arizona family law attorney. And it is not unusual for therapists not to want to be involved in testifying. A therapist becomes essentially ineffective if one parent thinks that they are on their side, or if the other parent feels like they are on one parent's side. There are forensic therapists and then there are those family court therapists that everybody uses, that everybody knows, that gets appointed by the court. And those therapists are some of the only therapists who are ready and willing and comfortable testifying because it's a combative, adversarial environment. The therapist may or may not write down what your daughter says, so get the paperwork. And even if the therapist says that they won't testify, you can either subpoena them to testify, but you may lose your therapist, or you can, if you're in Arizona, use the records. So you could use the child's statements in therapy if the therapist writes them down.